Most of my childhood vacation memories was about long train journeys, so I decided to take an overnight train till Guwahati when I planned my ride across Meghalaya. On reaching Guwahati the next morning, I headed straight to the Ahija bike rentals office. So I'm at the Ahija's. This is the Ahija in Guwahati. I'm here to pick up my bike, the Avenger 220 Cruise. Ahijas are quite a name in this part of the country, and now I knew why. So here I was on an Avenger 220 Cruise ABS to explore a magical part of India, Meghalaya. So welcome to Guwahati, and it's a ride on for me. Finally I'm headed to Shillong, and the guys back at Ahija, they were real quick. They got everything done for me. Only took them half an hour or so. Next time you're in Guwahati looking for a bike to rent, I'll surely recommend Ahija's for you. They were so good. So today I'm headed to Shillong, which would be around 100 odd kilometers from here. Here I come, Meghalaya. Sir, Shillong किस तरफ? बाएं, left. Thank you, sir. It's almost half an hour and I'm still stuck inside Guwahati. Somehow I feel entering or leaving any city has become such a pain in the wrong place. And it's everywhere, all throughout India. In case you guys are interested to know, I've just rented an Avenger 220 Cruise with ABS. And they charged me around 800 per day. So I feel that's just okay. So at last I could leave Guwahati and look at the roads now. It's so beautiful. And this is the best part of riding a motorcycle. You can just go past these tolls. You don't need to bother about toll taxes. You can just go past them. It's been almost 15 hours. I had something, so I desperately need something to eat. I'm just famished. रोटी मिलेगा? पराठा भी मिलेगा? Okay. Hi. Just look at those clouds. It looks so ominous. It should rain very soon. Just look at those clouds. So finally the rains have come. It's not that a very heavy showers, but a steady drizzle. I anticipated rain, so I've already put on my rain gears. The ride to Shillong from Guwahati was indeed a very short one, but the steady drizzle made things a bit difficult for me, so my only stop was at the beautiful Umiam Lake. This is the Umiam Lake and this is the viewpoint where I'm standing right now, and behind me you can see the Umiam Lake, though I'm not quite sure if you can probably see it because clouds have come in from everywhere and covered everything. I've stopped for a cup of tea, and Shillong would be around 15 kilometers from here, roughly 15 kilometers from here. Again, the traffic. It's so disgusting. Shillong would be around 10 to 12 kilometers from here. And look at this traffic. Oh my god. Again, it's so disgusting. So it's my day one in Meghalaya, Shillong. It's 6:30 in the morning and it's so bright. It's in the eastern part of India, so the sun rises quite early in the morning. Like I reached Shillong yesterday at around 7:30 in the evening and I had a tough time getting a place to stay for myself. Ultimately, I found one that is just about okay but quite expensive. This place is called Light Mukhra. That is around a couple of kilometers away from the main city, but it's a decent stay. The area is quite peaceful, quite calm and quiet, unlike the Police Bazaar area. I spent the day riding around the city and exploring the local markets and even trying some local food.
तो आपण ना
So there she is. She's been doing quite okay to me. So it's time to roll again and say goodbye, Shillong. So today I'm riding to Cherrapunji or Sohra as it is called now. And on my way I'll be visiting the Shillong peak. Cherrapunji would be roughly around 50 kilometers from Shillong. Somehow I have a feeling something is not right here. Something is definitely wrong here. So it so happened I rode till the Shillong Peak entrance, but I was denied entry. Something was wrong. They were not issuing tickets to the Shillong Peak. The road till Shillong Peak was definitely beautiful and was worth it. So Cherrapunji, straight. This is quite something for you. This is so beautiful. I have to stop here for a while and for the views. Oh my god. Look at the views behind me. It's amazing. It's heavenly, in fact. It's on the way from Shillong to Cherrapunji, and in fact, it's 50 kilometers before Cherrapunji. It's also called the Cherrapunji viewpoint or the cafe viewpoint. I'm not quite sure. It's amazing. It's heavenly. Just look at this. It's so beautiful. It's so beautiful. It's heavenly, in fact. As I kept riding, one thing I kept wondering, that you can stand anywhere in between and that could possibly be the best viewpoint you could come across. Oh my goodness me, look at this. I don't have words for this. Look at this. Welcome to Sohra, it says. So I'm in Cherrapunji. So first things first, I need to find a place for myself to stay. So I have a little crisis here. I just couldn't find a place for myself to stay. So I left all my luggage, everything at a restaurant where I had lunch, and I decided to visit the Seven Sisters waterfall before it gets dark. That's a seven sister waterfalls. Just take a look at the view. This is so amazing. And that's Bangladesh. That's Bangladesh. That's another country. The plain lands that you can see very far away, that's Bangladesh. I'll zoom into that. With so much beauty around me, the uncertainty of not having a shelter for the night just escaped my mind.